In a quiet little town, a curious boy named Leo found a shimmering key on his pillow one evening. The attached note read, "Unlock the magic of the rainbow garden." Intrigued, Leo followed the instructions and discovered a hidden door in his room. He turned the key, revealing a dazzling garden filled with vibrant colors. The flowers were sparkling jewels, the trees had rainbow leaves, and the grass was as soft as a cloud. Butterflies with wings of gold and silver guided him deeper into the garden. Leo met a friendly talking bunny named Twinkle, who invited him on a tour. They skipped over rainbow bridges, sipped nectar from sparkling flowers, and watched the sky change colors. At the garden center stood a tree with glowing fruit. Twinkle explained each fruit held a wish. Leo picked a glowing apple and wished for happiness and love for everyone he knew. The garden filled with music, and the stars twinkled brighter. Twinkle smiled. Saying Leo's wish added more magic to the garden. The key reappeared in Leo's hand, and Twinkle led him back to the door. Leo returned to his room, the key glowing softly on his pillow. He lay down, smiling, knowing the rainbow garden awaited more magical adventures.